What does a machine know about itself? Can it know when it needs to be repaired and when it doesn't? In industries like manufacturing and energy, they're using predictive analytics to detect signs of trouble, helping some companies save millions on maintenance because machines seek help before they're broken and don't when they're not. That's what I'm working on. I'm an IBMer. Let's build a smarter planet.
The impact of unscheduled equipment downtime on your organization's bottom line can be dramatic. Given today's economic realities and pressures to do more with less, you simply cannot afford to wait until failure occurs to take action. But what if you could rapidly analyze all your structured and unstructured data, such as production and inventory information, sensor data, and thousands of maintenance logs, and then confidently predict which parts were most likely to fail and prescribe an optimal preventive maintenance strategy? Well, now you can. IBM SPSS Analytic Solutions for Predictive Maintenance combine data from a wide range of disparate sources across your organization to paint a more accurate picture of failure patterns without requiring specialized math or analytical expertise from you or your staff. For example, a large equipment manufacturer saved $1 million in just 2 weeks by using preventive maintenance to proactively identify problems and take action before failure occurred. By minimizing downtime and repair costs across all its manufacturing operations, the manufacturer achieved a 1,400% return on investment in just 4 months. When it comes to equipment in the field, whether it's equipment you've sold to customers or machinery you're using to deliver a service, you can apply the same predictive maintenance technology to improve productivity and help meet business-critical service level agreements. Consider a water utility company that wanted to move away from its outdated, highly reactive maintenance approach to a more proactive method. Using predictive maintenance, the company increased detection of blockages by up to 30%, optimizing resources and increasing customer satisfaction by focusing on high-priority items. If your organization produces consumer goods, you know how costly warranty claims can be. With predictive maintenance, you can proactively determine when those products are likely to fail and identify the root cause to try to eliminate the source of the problem. Not only can this approach result in improved operational efficiencies, reduced warranty costs, and increased profits for your organization, but it can also improve the satisfaction level of your customers. When a leading automaker noticed dealerships were reporting customer issues with side view mirrors, the company used IBM SPSS Analytic Solutions for Predictive Maintenance to run a root cause analysis. By narrowing the problem down to a mirror assembly component that was poorly made because of improperly maintained machinery, the automaker was able to identify and fix the equipment, reducing warranty claims and eliminating the need for customers to bring their vehicles in for replacement parts. Organizations like these that have adopted IBM SPSS Predictive Analytic Solutions experience extraordinary benefits. Put IBM SPSS Predictive Analytic Solutions to work for you. Proactively stop equipment failure before it puts a stop to your organization's production and profitability.
Here is a good way to get started with these types of solutions. An easy-to-use software solution called IBM SPSS Modeler. IBM SPSS Modeler mines the data you've already been collecting. Then it gives you the tools to build accurate predictive models quickly and intuitively without programming. Armed with this knowledge, you can improve business processes and make more informed decisions, so you can confidently take advantage of customer opportunities. IBM SPSS Modeler's intuitive work palette means you don't need to be a data mining expert to get results. Simply by placing nodes into a stream, IBM SPSS Modeler makes it easy to visualize the entire data mining process and work interactively. And you can dig deep into unstructured data as well to rapidly process a large variety of unstructured text data. You can combine these extracted concepts and categories with your structured data and improve your results. The entity analytics capabilities enable you to improve your current data by resolving identity conflicts within the records themselves, which is vital in customer relationship management, fraud detection, and other areas. SPSS Modeler also includes social network analysis capabilities. It transforms information about relationships into fields that show the social behavior of individuals and groups. You can then identify social leaders who influence the behavior of others in the network. Combine these results with other measures, and you can create comprehensive profiles of individuals to base your predictive models on. Let's do a quick walkthrough and see how IBM SPSS Modeler works. Start by accessing and combining data from a wide variety of sources and file formats, including databases, IBM SPSS Statistics, IBM Cognos, text files, Microsoft Excel, and others. No other data mining solution offers this versatility. After data is prepared, you can choose your modeling method. IBM SPSS Modeler provides automated modeling capabilities, which eliminates the guesswork of choosing the best analytical approach. It uses multiple modeling techniques and then ranks them in order of performance, allowing you to select the best model to suit the situation. IBM SPSS Modeler also lets you quickly and easily fine-tune results by rerunning models to make sure you're building out the best possible modeling stream. You can select your own modeling technique, choosing amongst classification, association, and segmentation techniques. You can get results in interactive, highly visual format that's easy to understand and share. You can then apply the models to new data, which enables you to score them and make predictions on the outcomes. The results can be reported and analyzed, or written to other file types, such as Microsoft Excel or text files. They can also be integrated into your company's existing systems by writing directly to databases or utilizing XML export capabilities. IBM SPSS Modeler is fully integrated with other IBM solutions, such as SPSS software, IBM's Cognos and Netezza products. Here one can see the roles of IBM SPSS Modeler and IBM Cognos. In Modeler, one builds predictive models and deploys predictions that can be output to files, reports, or in other systems. One of these systems could be IBM Cognos products, where business users can analyze the results more deeply, incorporating predictions along with other data, choose further visualizations, for example dashboards, and easily distribute the results to broad user communities. Let's take a simple example covering failure predictions and field-level support. Let's say unacceptable rates of failure are occurring with motors in a critical piece of machinery. A stream would be built in Modeler to predict this failure so the appropriate action can be taken. First, source data would be identified. IBM SPSS Modeler can integrate with virtually any data and easily combine input from multiple data sources. But in this case, the source data is simply a text file. Next, a variable for failure is defined through an easy-to-use process, and a graph is made to show the number of failures by date of service for each relevant component. As can be seen in the graph, there are a high number of failures of the bearings soon after service. This is a known problem and is accepted for now. The next highest source of failures is capacitors. It is decided that the focus will be on capacitors. Predictions will be made for the likelihood of failure. Next, a type node is added to read the data properties, and capacitor data is selected. A specific predictive modeling technique is then chosen. Additional methods can be chosen as well, or methods can be automatically selected. A model is generated, as well as a graph and prediction accuracy. These will demonstrate the value of the results. From the graph, we can see that the model is quite useful. From a file with a list of readings, already in the first 40% of the file, 77% of the failures can be identified, and predictions of failure are accurate 88% of the time. Think of the value of predictions with an accuracy of 88%. One could avoid costly maintenance activities, reduce spare parts requirements, locate the spare parts in the most appropriate locations, and more. The predictions can then be written into a database or another file type for use by end users or another system. In the future, new data can simply be scored by the model and written directly to a database to automate the process. This is only an example of analytics capability made possible by SPSS. Solutions for predictive maintenance include field-level support, production line continuity, warranty analytics, forecasting and planning, statistical process control, and more. These would cover such issues as failure predictions, root cause analysis, and more. So whether you're looking for something for one desktop or an enterprise-wide solution, IBM SPSS Modeler is easily integrated and scalable. Learn more about how IBM SPSS Modeler enables you to dig deeper into your own data and come up with insightful, profitable answers.